my dear students. Today we are going to discuss an electromagnet. A simple electromagnet consists of a coil of insulated wire wrapped around an iron core. It is given in figure. A core of ferromagnetic material like soft iron serves to increase the magnetic field created. The strength of magnetic field generated is proportional to the amount of current through the winding. Electromagnets are usually made out of a coil of wire, a wire curled into a series of turns. The strength and concentrates the magnetic field more than a single stretch of wire. The wire turns are often coiled around a regular magnet made of a ferromagnetic material like soft iron. This makes the electromagnet more powerful. Working principle of electromagnets. Electromagnets works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. It is formed when a strong magnetic field is produced inside a solenoid to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron. For example, an iron nail made into a magnet by passing electric current through a coil surrounding it. Uses of electromagnets. Most of electric appliances used in the home use electromagnetism as the basic working principle. Some electromagnet uses in the home include an electric fan, electric doorbell, induction cooker, magnetic locks, etc. Uses in medical field. The uses of electromagnets are also seen in the medical field. MRI scan, which is short for magnetic resonance imaging, is a device that uses electromagnets. The device can scan all the tiny details in the human body with the help of the electromagnetism. Uses in memory storage devices and computer hardware. The data in e-book gadgets and phones are stored in the electromagnetic format in the form of bytes and bits. The computer hardware is also having a magnetic tape which works on the principle of electromagnetism. Care and storage of magnets. Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, hammered, or dropped from some height. Also, magnets become weak if they are not stored properly. The magnetic poles at the end of a magnet have a tendency to demagnetize the magnet. This is termed as self-demagnetization. To avoid this, opposite poles are put together and a small piece of soft iron is placed across them so that a closed circuit of magnetic material is formed and no poles are developed. In other words, the soft iron piece completes the path for the magnetic lines of force. They serve another purpose too. They protect the magnets from external demagnetizing field. These soft iron pieces are called keeps or magnetic keepers. Different methods to demagnetization of a magnet. First, heating the magnet. Use a pair of tongs to subject the magnet to a flame. Be careful, as magnets tend to become hot after a few moments of exposure. To avoid getting burns, wear gloves and use a long pair of tongs to keep your hands as far away as possible when the flame is on. Heat the magnet for a minute or two and allow it to cool down. Once the magnet cools down, the magnetic ability must be gently reduced. Second, hammering. Start with putting the magnet through physical abuse. Use a hammer and hit the magnet repeatedly. This causes disorder in the unit magnets inside, diminishing magnetic ability. Hammering a magnet in the east-west direction alters the alignment of the magnetic domains and causes the magnet to lose its magnetism. Third, expose the magnet to alternating current. Connect the solenoid to an alternating current AC supply. Place the magnet inside the solenoid. Switch on AC supply. Slowly withdraw the magnet in east-west direction until it is some distance away from the solenoid while AC current is still on. Thank you.